Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another day in my life. As you saw last night, we went grocery shopping and I was not able to put all that stuff up because I wanted to do a little bit of cleaning and reorganizing in the pantry. I knew I couldn't get that done last night. So I saved all of those dry ingredients. They were just out here on the floor. I saved that for today. So I got around to doing that this morning. And now I'm about to put some tomatoes and onions and garlic in the oven because I'm getting ready to make some sauce for the lasagna that I'm making for dinner tonight. So let's go ahead and get this stuff in the oven. I'll show you guys what I do to get this sauce. I'm gonna put my oven on 400 because we are going to actually roast the vegetables. We want a good little smoky flavor to them. So we're gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna put on my apron today. This one is from Lexi Beauty Fash. I will link her Instagram down below. I'm not sure if she's still selling them. I got this one like back 2020 during the pandemic. It says, "My life is a vibe." Very, very cute. But yeah, I'm gonna cook with this on today because I'm gonna be making like some tomato sauces, that blueberry jam, also a strawberry type thing. So I don't wanna get anything on my clothes.
As high as it go, I've been by the code, you know how I be. I am a product of putting my curses to rest on my family tree. Can see growth, they tell me they free, but they work for the man. I can't relate, I did it on my own. Look how we grow out the concrete, 2 rows, stuck by that code. Kush got me back on the float. I'm really trying my hardest, restraining and masking the urge to show up and glow on these boys. Don't tell me I won't, can't nobody see me. I've been on GOAT time, and to be honest, it's not even close. Your favorite is faking, it streams he a meme, me not what he showed. But what do I know? All them thoughts that you have, even yours. I'm paying my pain over chords. Fuck a reward, I'm earning my stripes. I give it a pipe, I'm generous. I say how I feel, I go where I grow. Don't tell me that love is for me. I'm here on my own, I'm feeding my soul. Been by the code, you know how I be. I am a product of putting my curses to rest on my family tree. Can see growth, they tell me they free, but they work for the man. I can't relate, I did it on my own. Look how we grow out the concrete, 2 rows, stuck by that code. I'm trying to take it as high as it go. I've been by the code, you know how I be.
All right, y'all, so I just put the tomatoes, onion, jalapeno peppers, garlic, Scotch bonnet peppers. I put all of that in the oven. If you guys are interested in making this homemade sauce, you do not have to use the peppers. We like spice, so that's why I added the peppers, and it's just me and babe eating this. It's gonna roast in the oven probably about a good hour, y'all, to be honest. So it is 12 o'clock right now, so I'll check it around 12:45 and see how it's looking. All right, guys, so my veggies are out of the oven and they look good, but they smell even better. You know how it is if you've ever roasted any vegetables. I'm going to take out that rosemary and I'm going to squeeze out my garlic because that is where all of the flavor is. I'm also going to add this to a saucepan because this is what I'm going to be cooking my sauce in. Once all the veggies are in, I am going to add in some sauteed onions and sauteed bell peppers. I made this for another meal that I actually ended up not making, so I went ahead and just used the bell peppers and stuff for this sauce. If I hadn't already sauteed them, I would have added it to the oven vegetables and roasted them too. Now, this is when my handy dandy immersion blender comes in handy. I said I'm going to start breaking this thing out at least once a week because it has just been sitting in my garage and it is a very great kitchen appliance. Like, it is one of my faves right now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to blend all of these vegetables together to make a chunky sauce. After everything is blended, I'm going to add it back to my saucepan and just cook it up a little bit so all of the veggies can thoroughly combine. Also add in a little bit of water just so the sauce can thin out a little bit. We don't want it like extremely thick. I added in a little black pepper and I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. That is going to give it that deep red color that I'm looking for. As for my meat, I did use a really lean ground beef with a ground sausage. So I've already browned that up. The meats for you are totally optional. And then I'm going to also add some cheese. So I'm using like 4 or 5 different cheeses. I have some sharp cheddar in white and yellow. I have some mozzarella, and then I have some just regular white cheddar cheese. Now, I feel like this sauce is the star of the show, and that's where I particularly got the inspo for this lasagna, is because she used some type of cream sauce, and I thought that was genius. So it's just heavy cream and some seasonings that I'm bringing to a boil. After that sauce has thickened up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add some cheese into it. We have a little bit of all of the cheeses going into this sauce. Next, I'm going to grab my lasagna noodles. I am going to boil them in some salted water just until they are pliable. We don't want to like fully cook the lasagna noodles. We just want to parboil them a little bit. Next, I'm adding some ricotta to a bowl. I also added a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Normally, you're supposed to add an egg, but I didn't want an egg in it, so I did not add the egg. And you could also add like some type of greenery, whether that is parsley, basil, whatever you want to add to that. But I didn't have any, so I didn't add it. Now is the fun part. We're going to start layering the lasagna. So starting with the meat mixture first, I'm going to lay down like a little bed of that just so the lasagna noodles can have something to sit on and soak up all of that meat flavor and sauce. And then I'm going to just start layering in my other items. We're going to add more meat sauce to the top. And then we're going to go in with that ricotta mixture, adding some of that, topping it with some cheese, more lasagna noodles, and more sauce. Like I said, we're just going to keep layering this thing up until we reach the top. Now, once you've reached the top, honey, this is where things get juicy, okay? We're gonna add that cream mixture that we made all over the top of this lasagna. Now, you probably could have layered in the cream sauce as well, but I just wanted it right on top. And then on top of that, we're gonna add some cheese and we're gonna stick this in the oven. Now, I did bake mine uncovered for about 30 minutes because everything is pretty much cooked. We just want the pasta and the sauces and everything to just meld and gel together. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And oh my gosh, guys, if you make this lasagna, please tag me. I would love to see your rendition of this recipe. Like I said, I got this from a creator on TikTok, and I will leave her video down in the description box below so you guys could check out that video. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. And as always, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.